There he is, the banana plane.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide on Spirit Airlines.
Yeah, I hear him too. There he is. Oh, did you hear that whoop?
Oh yeah.
That's time, baby. There he is. Woo, guys. There he is. Wait for 21200 from Detroit. Just a little itty bitty guy. Hi. Oh, there he is. There he is. Beauty of a plane right there. Oh, 850. Wow. American A321-200 from Dallas. There he is. Really guy. That's a decent guy. Bye. There he is. I like the tail fin on this guy. It's really cool. Ah, it's gonna fall. Ah. The white tip shark hood ring. There he is. Yeah, look at the shark on him. Do you see it on the tail? Hi. I can see him in the trees there. There he is. Just a little itty bitty guy. Portland. Little and rare. You see his wingtips. Ah, he went behind the building. See the Delta Brer up there? There he is. Right there. Delta 75 airport. There he is, little guy. Woo, bitty guy. Probably in his lair. Oh, there he is. Alaska South 7900. Oh, look at his wing thing. Look at his wing, look at his wing, what do you call those? Look, he's making like a trail in the clouds. That's cool. There he is. Little guy. Little bitty guy. There he goes. Back it out of the car. Another Alaska 737-900. There he is. There he goes. Bye. Alaska 737-790. Because Alaska's milk run is started from here. There he is. Bye. Get maps. 737-800 or something. Wait, come in from Chicago. There he is. Hi, United. Oh, I saw him for a sec. Oh, there he is. Imagine. They probably go around ahead of schedule. There he is. Up to the cockpit here. Come. Oh, look at the vortex from the flat tip. See the engines whistling? Whoa! Look at that big boy. He just disappeared. There he is. He's all blue. There he is. Big old air friend. Holy cow. Bye. Here he is. You guys can probably see him now. It's a A220. There he is. Last 737 from Dallas. There he is. Hello, United. There he is. Listen to those G90s, bro. There he is. Oh, there he is. You don't move. Look at that door. Big pencil. That guy wanted to look out of place in school. Supply closet. That's Kanana. Look at it, all white and red and black. That's cool. There he is. There he is. He's all orange. There he is. Alright.
Comes to 737-790 last year in Santa Ana. There he is. Crazy.
Little tiny